कॉलेजेस के लिए यार हम बड़े लोग हैं, हम लोग को ओबामा वगैरह वीआईपी लोगों का डॉक्यूमेंट करना चाहिए। क्या है ये?
I know it's bonkers. I had to go for Saisha's pool party.
देख
Oh my god!
अरे शिट कॅमेरा सुरू राहिला यार.
Welcome to the NSI not so important news, and we are standing on the grounds of PVP College of Architecture somewhere in Pune. And now let's take an insight into the college campus. By the way, I am and she is
Why this form? Why bamboo? Have you taken the context into consideration? How did the form? What's that? Where's the tension? Where's the complexion?
कैसे बांधा है ये पूछे.
This is a bamboo pavilion using bamboo. The tension being at the top, compression at the bottom. We wanted to make this as a pavilion at the entrance of the college. We don't have anything architectural as such. कुछ architectural नहीं है. तो हमने सोचा bamboo में हम एक pavilion बनाएंगे. तो उसी का कर रहे हैं सर.
That's a nice answer. Give it up.
Just touch up guys, let's move.
Okay. Speechless.
आम्ही ज्या चेअर्स बनवले चेअर्स आणि स्टूल्स बनवले त्याच्यामध्ये वेस्ट आणि पेपर रोल्स आणि कोरोटेड शीट्स वापरलेत, वेस्ट बॉटल्स वापरले आणि ते फर्निचर बनवायला एकही ड्रॉप ॲडिशन नाही वापरलाय. सगळं इंटरलॉकिंग आणि कॉर्नरिंग केलेलं आहे.
But can it bear a load of a bear? Yes, it can.
Started having to talk with the magazine team and then
These people should know that they are designing a magazine for a school, not for books.
What the?
Basically, Keystone is a students' annual magazine, and it is a compilation of all the students' talents, works, and achievements.
So it is how we conceive our college, or what can we do apart from architecture, what we have already done, what we have travelled, what we have seen. We write poems, we do sketches,
Put it up all in an
our
interesting way
passion.
to you.
All that comes in the Keystone, so that at the end of the year we know what all we have done.
Now let us pixelate further into this amazing place and have a look at this Insight exhibition. Come on. Oxygen.
आणि जे मुलं आर्किटेक्चर बद्दल क्युरियस आहे, जे थोडी ऍडमिशन घ्यायला या कॉलेजमध्ये येतात, त्यांना या कॉलेजमध्ये काय काय होतं, कशा पद्धतीने काम होतं, सिनियर्सचं काम बघायला मिळतं, ते सगळं या ऍडमिशनमध्ये मिळतं.
और जो फर्स्ट टू फिफ्थ ईयर के जो भी काम जो रहता है कॉलेज का, वो सब इधर पुटअप होता है. तो वी गेट टू नो ऑल द वर्क्स, द मॉडल्स एंड शीट्स ऑफ ऑल द इयर्स ऑफ स्टुडंट्स ऑफ इकडे. आणि and also the different techniques and also the different types of models, materials that are used. So we can also learn them by seeing all the models
बाहर जब इतना मजा मस्ती शुरू है और आप यहाँ पे अंदर एक रूम में काम करते हो, तो इसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
इधर तो हमारी एक अलग ही दुनिया है.
After listening to the inside team and their Alagi Dunya, we installed a secret camera over here.
इधर तो हमारी एक अलग ही दुनिया है.
Want to understand what architecture or architectural study is all about, and once if you visit this exhibition you can get the whole idea about. The next thing which is good about this exhibition is that it creates a lot of vertical interaction among the students and creates a very healthy learning environment within them.
Now we come on to the most vibrant and lively place of the college campus, which is canteen. And these people have designed walls of the canteen. Let us hear the design from the designer itself.
आम्ही PUBच्या कॉमन स्टुडंटची टाईमलाईन दाखवली आहे मॉलमधून आणि म्हणजे रोज आम्ही सकाळी 8 वाजता उठल्यापासून 3 वाजता उठून जे एकदम टाईट शेड्यूल असतो ते आपल्या वॉलमधून दाखवली. आम्हाला बाकी सर्व्हिसेस म्हणून कशाला टाईम नसतो आणि आमच्या टाईममध्ये रोज
What would you like to say about the atrium design?
Design. Yeah, like we started with the playboard of the cars, and then in the evening ma'am comes and she's like, कुछ और नहीं कर सकते कि ये थोड़ा boring है. Like there should be something interesting.
Okay. Let's not discuss about that. Tell us about the design concept.
Design concept. Basically, we took kite as a pixel module, and then the kite it depicts freedom.
Guys, this is the lecturing team. Seems to be very busy. We'll ask them something. आज आपने ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या हुआ? लंच में क्या करने वाले हो? घर कब जा रहे हो? Guys, these seem to be something special and very unique just because our whole director was involved in it. Like, these guys have done this model and they seem to be highly exhausted, especially the one, Kunal Mistry. Can you tell us about your work?
स्टार्ट में ये लकड़ी का है और लकड़ी बहुत महंगी है, इसलिए हम लोग ने थर्मोकॉल यूज़ किया है. सबसे सस्ता मटेरियल यूज़ किया है, पूरा लकड़ी में नहीं बन पाया. और इसकी सबसे खास बात है ये सस्पेंडेड है और ये पूरा फ्लो हिलता है.
What's our group's name?
We are kings.
And what are problems
We had many problems. We didn't have the height, couldn't climb, we couldn't make anything. It was very difficult. We didn't have any support to climb up, and because of that, even our friend गिर भी गया था.
Also, we made it in NDF. We didn't have a cutting machine, so we had to cut by our hand, and so that was a big issue. Also, budget, like we didn't get the money, and Desai sir wanted it made it paper, and we couldn't do that.
क्या ये कैमरा पेपर का है?
Exhibition ची overall theme होती की pixels करायचे. So our concept was taking the 8-bit games, Mario games, and Mario scenarios. We have given level 1 and level 2 in it.
Level 1 is the top one and level 2 is the top 2. Level 2 includes events like 15 topics, orientation, monsoon trek, and some other events. Sem 1 ends with the answer report, and Sem 2 starts with the RSP followed by culturals, current affairs, cheer course, and then the exhibition week is there, which include food fest, sports day, and then the finals and the culturals.
So it ends with
It ends in the final submission.
Final submission.
And that's struggle for the final submission.
I feel this is like a nerve center. For me, it's a nerve center. A lot of things are happening. A lot of activities are happening. And if you look, the nerve centers are always like where the server is kept. For a computer also, the server is kept where the nerve center. A lot of things are happening there. A lot of intellectual things are happening there. A lot of data is computer also. Where the server is kept, it is not one-man show. So everybody is involved in it. So that is something I think which is keeping the spirit alive.
Guys, this is the exhibition team which works for 3 days. Let us now understand how the whole thing works.
This is my fourth year in exhibition now, and we have been really working seriously. The team which you see behind me is the entire team from which we come together and then we work together. What we look into this exhibition is there are the entire college participates in the exhibition.
अशा वेळेस अशी लोक बाहेर येतात की जी आपल्याला दिसत नाही किंवा जी काम करणारी आपल्याला माहिती नसतात. मग असे इव्हेंट्स किंवा असे ओकेजन्स काही आले की ती लोक आपल्यासमोर येतात आणि त्यांच्यासुद्धा टॅलेंट कळतात आपल्याला स्किल कळतात.
बाकी सगळ्या कॉलेजमधल्या इव्हेंट्सपेक्षा ही एकच इव्हेंट अशी असते ज्यामध्ये सिनियर्सचे इंटरॅक्शन सगळ्यात जास्त होतं आणि ते कुठे ना कुठे कामात येतं. सिनियर्सला कामात येतं कारण ज्युनियर्स त्यांना हेल्प करणार इंटरॅक्शन, ज्युनियर्सला कामात येतं की सिनियर्स त्यांना नंतर
मॅनपॉवर जी की सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट आहे एक्झिबिशनमध्ये, ते मॅनेज करायला शिकायला मिळतं आणि त्याचा पुढेही फायदा होऊ शकतो.
आणि एक्झिबिशनमध्ये सगळ्यात जास्त शिकायला काय भेटतं, ज्या आयडियाज असतात त्यांचे जे एक्झिबिशन होतं तर मग ते कुठल्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये होतं, त्यात जर काय प्रॉब्लेम आले तर मॅनिप्युलेशन्स कशी केली जातात हे फार शिकायला भेटतात.
जेव्हा फर्स्ट इयरमध्ये होतो एक्झिबिशन हे काय मला जास्त माहिती नव्हतं, तर मी माझ्यासोबत माझे बॅचमेट्स आणि माझे सिनियर्स होते टीममध्ये ज्या सिनियर्सच्या खाली मी काम केलं. त्याच्यानंतर तेव्हा मी ठरवलेलं की मला माझं कॉलेजमध्ये ठराविक गोष्टी ज्या करायच्या आमच्या सर्वांची जी विजन आहे ते एक्झिक्यूट करता आलं.
नाईटमध्ये जेव्हा संध्याकाळी सगळे ढेपाळलेले असतात, थोडंसं सकाळपासून काम सुरू असतं, मग जेवण झालं की सगळे ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ गोईंग टू स्लीप, बट देन वेन यू पुट ऑन द म्युझिक रात्री सगळे नाचायला सुरुवात, ती जी एनर्जी असते ती लेवल सगळी वरती जाते अँड देन दे स्टार्ट विथ डबल एन्थुझियाझम. दॅट इज द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द नाईट लाईफ.
This is Kunal Shah, the most celebrated photographer of TV show. Our videographer taking selfies right now.
अद्वैत देशमुख, आमचा डिरेक्टर, एडिटर, ॲपलवर बसून नुसती दिवसभराची नुसती चाललेली असते.